wondering why I didn't attack myself when I had the chance. I see it always. Sunday away, I am waiting for you gonna be mine in this place. Endless of this place, I'm losing it inside. I am riding to tell myself everything that I needed to know for a while now. Yeah, telling myself just to back away from the mirrors that I see today. Break your only ghost like yourself in water, drown it again. Reflections of you are started to dissipate with the rain in that dirty puddle. I could have been a scientist or an astronaut, could have never been the president. 'Cause they all going in a certain bloodline, bloodline, bloodline.